Hello, children. I am back for some morning math sing again. I know you love to spin and sparkle with math power. So, let's have our sparks and spin. Let's go. Okay, so we are going to review multiples of 2 with sparks and spin. Your today's challenge is to find the number that is 2 more than the number shown. Okay, let's begin. You know the drill, right? Spin, sparks, spin. Oh, 30. So, what is 2 more than 30? Yes, 32. Let's have another one. Spin, sparks, spin. Oh, 26. And 2 more than 26 is, you are right, 28. I hope you enjoyed counting in twos through sparks and spin. Today we are going to start a new unit. It's Unit 10. Introducing length and height. Again, length and height. And can you guess what we are starting it with? Yes, it's comparing length and height. Okay, let's go. And to begin our lesson, can you please read our vault? Yes, let's read again. We are learning to compare length and height. And by the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe and solve problems for length and height. For this lesson, we will be using vocabulary words like length, height, compare, and measure. And when you compare length and height, you will use the words in this table. We have tall, taller, tallest, short, shorter, shortest, long, longer, and longest. Now, you can pause this video and practice reading these words yourself. Okay? Pause and read. Pause and read. Meet my two friends, children. This is Anya and this is Tarek. Let's compare their heights. Who is taller? Correct. Tarek is taller than Anya. If that's so, can we say that Anya is shorter than Tarek? Well, definitely. Anya is shorter than Tarek. Now let's discuss more about their height. Did you notice, children, that Anya and Tarek are standing on same level? Let me circle their feet so you can see them well. There you go. They are standing on same level. It is very important, children, that when comparing heights, the people or the objects have to be in standing position on the same level. Let's compare more people. We shall have here Anya and Tarek, and Jack has joined them too. We know that Tarek is taller than Anya, and Anya is shorter than Tarek. But is Anya the shortest? Of course not, because now we have Jack who is shorter than Anya. So we can say that Jack is the shortest, and that makes Tarek as the tallest. Now, children, let's compare the lengths of these three ropes. We have the orange rope, the green rope, and the black rope. Now, which do you think is the longest rope? Which is the shortest? At first glance, it seems that the orange rope is the longest and the green rope seems to be the shortest. Remember, children, when comparing length, make sure that the objects that you are comparing start at the same point and they must all be straight in order to be compared accurately. So let me show you that. So 2 points to be remembered. First, they must start at the same point. Second, they must all be straight. So let us straighten them up. And also, let us make sure that they are starting at the same point. I'm going to use a ruler just to make sure that they'll be starting at the same point. This will be our marker. Now we are sure that they are starting at the same point now. Let's straighten this up. Now we can clearly see which rope is the longest. And it turns out that the green rope is the longest rope among these three. And the orange rope is the shortest. Now let us try to order these ropes from the shortest to the longest rope. As we can see, this is the shortest, so let it be there. After this comes the black rope next, and then the green rope. Now we have ordered them from the shortest to the longest rope. Now to describe more each rope, we can say that the orange rope is shorter than the black rope and the green rope. Also, we can say that the orange rope is the shortest. To describe the black rope, we can say the black rope is longer than the orange rope. We can even say that the black rope is shorter than the green rope. And to describe the green rope, we can say that the green rope is longer than the black and the orange ropes. Or we can say that the green rope is the longest rope. I hope it's clear now. Okay? All right. Remember, children, when we compare height, we use tall, taller, or tallest. We also use short, shorter, shortest. And when we compare length, we use words like long, longer, longest, or short, shorter, shortest. We are down, children, to a very exciting part of this lesson, and that is the game time. Here is our first question. Who is shorter? It's quite clear, right, children? This boy is the shorter one, and we got it. Let's move on to the next one. Next question. Which is the tallest tower? Children, you have to help me out. Is it this one? Let's see. Oops. Sorry, children. Let's try again. Oh, I see. This is the tallest tower. Yes, now we got it right. Next question. Which couch is the longest? Is it this couch, children? Very good. Next question. Which bus is shorter? Is it this one, children? Nod your head if you agree with me. Is it this one? Oops. Oh no. So that means this is the answer. Yes, that is the shooter, Buzz. Next question. Russ is thinking of an animal. He says, my animal is shorter than the pig but taller than the chick. Which animal is Russ thinking of? Let's think, and think. What is your suggestion, children? Come on, help me out. It's quite challenging. Shorter than the pig and taller than the chick. Oh, I have figured it out. It's this duck. And we are correct. Thank you, children. Did you have fun in our game? That's great. Now let us wrap up the lesson by checking what you have learned today. Well, you learned quite a lot. Now you can compare length and height and use all the vocabulary words in your problems to compare, right? Now you are more than ready to answer page 88, number 4 only, and page 89, number 5 only of your Power Math book 1B. So, that is it. Au revoir. Ma'asalama. Paalam. Bye, children.